Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a barley salad. Now, if you've never tried barley, let me tell you, you're missing out because barley is such a wonderful grain. It's one of those whole grains that you eat that keeps you full for a long time. So if you're on a diet, this is a wonderful recipe to know. And the texture of barley is just like, it's so nice. It's like a chewy, nutty grain that's kind of like a big fat rice, and it's so good in salads. You can use it in stir fries, in salad bowls, or anything that you want to add it to. It's really nice, trust me. And so the first step of this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make barley, and you can use that in any of those recipes that I mentioned. And then I'm going to show you how to make a really nice salad using this barley. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm using pearl barley, and I just picked up this packet from my local Turkish shop, and it's very inexpensive. This 1 kg cost me less than £2. I'm going to use 1 cup or 200 grams of the pearl barley and then put it into a sieve and wash it under running water until the water runs clear. Then go ahead and put it into your Instant Pot. And we're going to add 2 cups of boiling water mixed in with 1 vegetable stock cube. Now, if you're not vegetarian, you can use a chicken stock cube if you want. Then we're going to cook it on a high pressure for 22 minutes. Once the 22 minutes are done, then we're going to release the pressure by moving the valve, and be careful because it's hot. Once the pressure is released, then go ahead and fluff up the barley. Now you may see a little bit of water left at the bottom, but don't worry, that will get absorbed eventually. Now we need to let the barley cool down so we can add it to our salad. Now if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can cook it in your pressure cooker for 20 minutes using 2 cups of the stock, or you can do it on your stovetop. But to do it on your stovetop, it will take longer. And what you'll need is 3 cups of the stock, and you can still use 1 vegetable or chicken stock cube. And then you'll bring that to a boil with the pearl barley, and then lower the temperature and let it simmer partially covered for 40 to 50 minutes until it's tender. Now that we've got our pearl barley cooking, we're going to get ready to prepare the vegetables for the salad. So the vegetables I'm going to add to this salad are, I've got a half a red pepper that I've chopped up, a half a medium cucumber that I've seeded and chopped up, and a half a small red onion that I've chopped up. And now I'm going to cut up some parsley. So you can switch up the vegetables in this salad and choose the ones that you like. You can also add chickpeas or other lentils to the salad to make it more nutritious and add some protein. If you're not vegetarian, you can add some meat in there, some roasted chicken. So switch it up and create your own salad, but add some barley in there because you're gonna love the texture of it. So I've got about, I think, a 1/4 cup packed of parsley here that I'm going to chop up to add to the salad. Now I like to make my salad dressings in a little jar like this because once you've got all the ingredients, you can just shake it up and then pour it over your salad. And to dress the salad, I'm going to make my own dressing. And for that, I'm going to use 1 garlic clove that I'm going to crush, the juice of 1 whole lemon, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of a light olive oil, some salt, and some pepper. And now that everything's ready, I'm just gonna put the salad together. So first I'm gonna put my barley in, and you can add all of it, which is about 2 cups, or you can add half of it. So I'm gonna add just about half of it for now. And my barley is still warm, so this is gonna be a warm salad, which is delicious too. I'm going to throw in all my vegetables, my parsley, the cucumbers, and the peppers. I'm just going to mix it to see the balance, and then if I want to add the remaining barley, I can add it in there. And I am going to add it. Add the dressing and toss. And there you have it, an easy, healthy, and delicious barley salad. And this one's so colorful too. And you can switch it up with any types of vegetables that you like, and the herbs you can switch up as well. And this amount is good for about 3 to 4 people and will last in the fridge a day or two, depending on what vegetables you add. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.